38 ounces of frozen cheese tortellini. Now we have 2 cans of Rotel. I didn't drain these. Now I have 6 ounces of baby spinach. Don't worry, the spinach will shrink up, so just kind of push it in there. We have a smoked sausage, and I'm taking my scissors here, and I'm just quickly gonna cut this sausage right up. You can use a knife if you want, but I just thought it would be fun to use my scissors today. This is a really big meal. It's gonna feed a big family, but don't worry, you can always cut the recipe in half if it looks like too much for you. This is a 6-quart slow cooker or crock pot that I'm using here today. So you do want a pretty big crock pot if you're gonna copy this recipe exactly how I am doing it. All right. See, that was so easy, cutting that up. But then I have a whole nother smoked sausage that I already cut up for you guys. So that's 2 in total. And I know you did not want to have to see me cut both of those up. And now I have 8 ounces of cream cheese that I already cubed up, and I'm just gonna spread it around. And then I have another 8 ounces of cream cheese. So in total, you need 2 blocks of cream cheese or 16 ounces. Now we have 48 ounces of chicken broth. Ooh, so yeah, you need a lot of chicken broth for this recipe. It's really gonna help cook up that tortellini. I went with the low sodium, but if you like your stuff salty, you can go with the full sodium. Yep, 6 cups. Okay, now we need to just season this baby up real quick. We got some Italian seasoning. You want to use a whole bunch of Italian seasoning. You need like 3 tablespoons of this stuff. So I think that looks about right to me. And then you want to use some crushed red pepper. You don't have to, but me and my family, we love some spice in our food. Oh yeah. Wow, that looks so cool. Love this dish. And then some salt. Whatever feels right to you, go ahead and do it. All right, I'm just putting on the amount of salt that works for me. Oh. And then pepper. You know, you can't have salt without pepper. I mean, you can, but it's kind of weird. So just add a good amount of this freshly ground black pepper. Ooh. So now we are going to try to put our lid on here. Oh, look, it just barely fits. And we're going to cook this on low for 3 hours. All right, so it has been 2 hours. And we're going to take this lid off. We're just going to give, see, look at that melted cream cheese. We're going to give everything a nice mix. See, look at that. We just got to push that spinach down there, and it will shrink down even more than it already has. Look at that. The tortellini is already looking nice and soft. The cream cheese is melted. Ooh, it doesn't look pretty right now, but trust me, it will, okay? That chicken broth is gonna soak up into everything. Okay, and now we have some mozzarella cheese, shredded mozzarella cheese, that we're gonna add all over the top. And it's gonna melt and cook in here during the last hour of our cook time. So this is 16 ounces, which is actually 4 cups of shredded cheese, not 2. Shredded cheese works different. And we need 3 cups. So we're gonna use almost this whole bag, but not quite. Just spread it all over the top so it's nice and even. Don't touch the crock pot though because it's hot. Okay, and once you have that nice cheese layer on there, put your lid back on and cook it for another hour on low. All right, it's been another hour. Let's take this lid off. Look at that melted cheese. Ooh, it's okay guys, there's liquid in there, but it's still gonna be really good, okay? Because you just, look at that tortellini, perfectly cooked. Serve myself some of this. Ooh, it's so cheesy, oh my goodness. Okay, we're just gonna have to, okay, and then to my serving right here, I'm gonna put it right there. I'm gonna take a little bit of Parmesan cheese here, grated Parmesan. I'm just gonna add it all over the top because I love Parmesan. Okay, let's try it. Mix it around a little bit. Oh yeah, see, look how good that looks once you get it in your bowl. Tortellini is perfectly cooked and soft.